Refinishing Rocky's aluminum parts. With time or depending on environmental conditions, Rocky's aluminum parts can experience galvanic corrosion. A healthy, well-maintained pool typically prevents this, but on occasion it can happen. The good news is that at Rocky's we believe in the right to repair, and this can be easily remedied. Galvanic corrosion happens when a pool generates too much voltage and causes the surface of lesser metals like aluminum to corrode, even under sealed finishes. This part was on an older pool, and the pool's sacrificial anode had failed, causing this part to corrode, eventually causing the powder coat to separate from the aluminum. If you notice this starting to happen to your reel, it is time to have your pool serviced by a professional. Once you have your pool sorted, a little bit of work can get your reel looking good as new and ensure that it will continue to serve you for many more years. First, peel off any sections of the powder coat that have separated. You will notice that the powder coat is still intact, but the aluminum under it has changed, causing it to separate. After removing any large sections of separated powder coat, use a light grit sandpaper to smooth out any lumps or bumps. Corroded aluminum becomes pitted and rough. Sanding helps prep the surface so new paint will look nice, and it allows you to paint over any remaining powder coat. When you're happy that the part is relatively smooth and there are no flaky bits, you can give it a good once over with a scouring pad. This helps remove any leftover oxidation from corrosion and ensures that new paint will adhere to the part. Next, give the part a quick wipe down using water and a cloth or paper towel. This helps ensure that there is no dust or dirt on the surface you will be painting. Make sure that the part is dry before you move on to the next step. Then you can use spray paint to refinish your part. When painting, make sure you are in a well-ventilated area and that you wear appropriate personal protective equipment. Rocky's recommends using a rust-inhibiting paint that has a primer included for use on metal. We have found that this type of paint adheres well and lasts a long time. Do multiple coats to ensure a nice finish and give the paint time to dry in between coats. Make sure you follow the paint manufacturer's instructions to get the best results. Flip the part over and make sure all the exposed surfaces are touched up. If you have questions about this process, please contact Rocky's. This process allows you to revitalize any of Rocky's aluminum parts. Follow us on your favorite network.